So here we are back with our intro to Google Drive presentations, and we've learned how to create and name and save our Google Drive presentations. And now we want to add and change slide layouts to the presentation. So to add a slide to the presentation, you will use this button right here, and it says New Slide. And when you click on it, you'll see a new slide appears. Now, anytime after you create a introduction slide, it gives you kind of this section heading slide where you can add a title to the top of the page and then text or an image to the main part of the page. But if you're not satisfied with that layout, you can go back up here, use the drop down arrow, and it says new slide with layout. When you click on that, you'll see that it brings up an option for a title page, a title and body, which is actually what we have up now, a title and two columns, a title only, a caption, and or a blank form. So I'll just go ahead and right now, since we already have the title and body, I'll pull up the title and two columns. And you can see slide number 3 actually becomes the title with 2 columns of information. So if you wanted to add a title here and some text over here and an image over here, you could do that, and it's already segmented and broken up for you. Or we'll add another one. We'll go down and now we'll do a title only screen. And you can see this one brings up just a place to add the title, and then this space below you can use to do whatever you're interested in doing. So if you wanted to add a video, if you wanted to add an image, you could do that, but the format is basically to have your title here. The next one we'll show is the caption slide. And so this one, if you had an image or video that you wanted to present right here, you could add that to this large space right here, and or have a place to add your text down here that talks about what the image is you're showing or the video or any other notation about what's happening in this larger space. And we'll go and add the final one, which is just a blank screen. And you can see there's absolutely nothing on here. You are free to add any and everything that you like to this type of slide, and it doesn't have any identifiable parts to it. So some people like to use this one kind of as their ongoing slide and add creative touches where they feel necessary. So we'll just go back up here and you'll see that as we click through how the slides change in their layout and how they give you options as to where and what type of information to include. You can see the title and information slide looks just like the title and two subsection slide as far as general layout with the blue box at the top, and the same thing with the one with just the title at the top. And then the caption screen looks a little bit different, and of course the blank screen looks completely different than any of the other layouts you have here. So there you have it. That is how you add and change slides layouts.